Introducing The Morgan, a single family home floor plan by HHHunt Homes. We are excited to showcase one of our top floor plans, The Morgan. This spacious single family home floor plan spans over 2,300 square feet and can be built with up to 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's check it out. Entertaining is made easy with The Morgan's large, open floor plan and abundant natural light. Gather your loved ones in this bright and inviting space, with ample room for everyone to enjoy. The stunning kitchen will impress with its expansive countertop space and cabinetry. Store and prepare your kitchen essentials in style, with the added benefit of a walk-in pantry for even more storage. The first floor is designed for comfort and functionality, with an optional outdoor space perfect for enjoying a morning cup of coffee or outdoor barbecue. The flex space is perfect for creating a home office, while the powder room is convenient for guests. Upstairs, you'll find additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a laundry center, all with plenty of storage space. The loft is an excellent addition, perfect for a night in with friends or family. Finally, retreat to the privacy and comfort of the primary suite after a long day. Enjoy the spacious bathroom with large walk-in closet, providing ample room for all your belongings. The Morgan is a highly sought-after floor plan, and it's easy to see why. Visit hhhunthomes.com to learn more about this incredible home. At HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.